Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect margarita cocktail. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need a good quality Blanco tequila, freshly squeezed lime juice, and a premium orange liqueur, like Cointreau. These three components are the foundation of an exceptional margarita, ensuring a vibrant and balanced flavor profile that truly stands out. Getting these right is the first step to a truly delicious drink. Now, let's talk about the golden ratio for a truly balanced margarita. The secret lies in a 2-to-1-to-1 proportion: 2 parts tequila, 1 part fresh lime juice, and 1 part orange liqueur. This specific balance ensures a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, and strong, creating that iconic, refreshing taste. Sticking to these measurements will help you achieve a consistently delicious cocktail every single time. With your ingredients measured, it's time to shake things up. Pour your tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur into a cocktail shaker filled generously with ice. Now, shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. You want to ensure the drink is thoroughly chilled and slightly diluted. This shaking process not only cools your margarita, but also perfectly integrates all those wonderful flavors, giving it a lovely frothy texture. Finally, it's time to serve your masterpiece. If you like, rim your glass with salt using a lime wedge. Then, strain your perfectly chilled margarita into your prepared glass over fresh ice. A simple garnish of a fresh lime wheel or wedge adds a beautiful aromatic touch. Serve it immediately and savor the crisp, refreshing, and perfectly balanced flavors of your homemade margarita. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.